Okay, our video blog check everybody. We are here sa BGC sa Silo at behind me is the Honor logo. We're attending the launching of the Honor 90 Lite 5G, Honor X6A and Honor X5 Plus. So I'm using the Honor 90 Lite 5G for vlogging. This is the front camera. So medyo low light na dito. Pero maganda yung view. Maganda yung mga ilaw. At later on we're going to shoot some videos doing a vlog test using the Honor 90 Lite 5G. Alright? So now, maaga pa. 30 minutes early tayo. Wala nga kain ako sa Dennis or sa Starbucks. Pero some of the vlogger friends, ano si Ian. Hello. We're getting ready. At pwede naman pumasok, di pa, no?
Di pa.
Kain muna ako. Gusto kong kumain ng ng masarap. So maghanap muna ako ng food. Alright, let's walk ito sa ating. Check natin yung mga katropa natin sa Starbucks. So I'm still using the front camera, no? At we're shooting at 1080p 30 fps. I'm not sure kung meron stabilization to, but we're going to find out after this. Hindi ako pa nakakapag-test ng video, but I use this for photography. Maganda yung camera niya for photography. Parang Honor 90 Lite. Honor 90. Pero this one is the Honor 90 Lite naman. Alright? And we're shooting at the rear camera. This is the wide lens. So naghanap ako ng kakainan. At sabi nila sa Starbucks daw sila. We're going to check out Starbucks. Naghanap ako ng pwedeng kakainin. Wala na yung mga kinakainan ko sa taas. So meron ditong kapihan din to eh. I need to find a nice restaurant. Let's find here. I think may daw dito eh, Salvatore Cooma. Pero wala naman na yung Salvatore Cooma dito. It's another good restaurant pero may livestock. So I guess ayoko mag Starbucks, grabe. Balik na lang tayo doon, baka mag Dennis na lang ako. Maganda yung ilaw dito. Wow, check it out yo. Ganda. Alright, so I'm going to Dennis. Doon na lang din ako kakain. Habang medyo maaga-aga pa tayo here sa BGC na sa Silo. Buti na lang maaga ako pumunta. Medyo matraffic din kasi. Sana malinaw yung audio ng microphone. Maraming noise dito. Wala akong gamit na external microphone. I'm using the external, yung internal. Kumbaga yung built-in microphone. Ito. So medyo maaga pa. Maybe bagsak ko sa Dennis. I'll just para relax na ako. Alright. May mga friends tayo dito. Taong Dennis, kakain ako.
Makagaling ko lang.
Doon ka kumain? Oh, pares din yung isip ko eh. Yan, kumain din pala si Christian sa Dennis. Sarap flower. Ay! Ito lang building, oh. Nice building. Okay, punta na lang ako sa Dennis na lang ako kumain. Namimiss ko na yung kanilang masarap na tapsilog. Alright, let's do this. I miss Dennis. Oh my God, again, super Dennis fans ako. Dennis Son Uy. Dennis Son Uy. And here we go. Ito lang kasi pinakamalapit dito eh. Dennis. And very comfy. At syempre, baka mag Salisbury steak ba ako. And okay, let's go inside. At may mga nakita akong kakilala dito. Early dinner din kayo? Si Valerie, oh. At tama si MJ. Hello guys. At ito aking pagkain. Kainin ko na to. Okay, ano muna. Let's eat. Alright, logging out na kami sa Dennis. Super panalo ang aking Salisbury steak doon. At pwede pala magpa-refill ng gravy. Mabalik ako doon mamaya for the strawberry shortcake. At doon tayo magkakape. We're looking at the buildings of tonight. Here's the building and the fountain. Wow, ganda ng view.
Wala pa.
Ito na. May pa-challenge pa pala. Alright. Thank you. Here's the Honor. Yan, X. And here we go. The lights is on. Low light walkway. Etong hitsura ko, ayan. Dapat madala na akong tripod eh. Ang hirap mag-vlog. Ay, ganda, may ilaw. So, pwede ka mag-photoshoot dito. So, mamaya tayo mag-photoshoot dyan. Let's walk to the tunnel. Light mirror like a Tron. Side, it's a party venue. So, launching nila ba kayo? Nahulog. Si Miss Chicks Mix. Na meron. Okay, we got one. Here's the venue ng Silo. Napakaganda. Grabe. Kaya narinig nyo yung boses ko, no?
With Honor's newest devices. For your social media goals, don't forget to use the hashtags. Hashtag Honor90Live5 Honor Cadex.
And we are logging in.
We also have
Harapan tayo ng
launching photo contest.
At nakakuha tayo ng DIP 12,000 yung SRP ng Honor 90 Lite. At kinisa X68 sa 6,000 plus. Yung X5 wala pa. So mamaya marireveal naman mamaya. So pag i-upload nyo to, naka-launch na siya. Alright? Alright. So we are here sa Honor 90 Lite. Capture corner. Yan, hashtag. Photoshoot daw pala ng mga model. So kami palang mag-direct as a director. Alright, let's do this. Photo. Pare ano pala? Photo pala. Iyon no? Parang wedding. Wala ko na footage sa. Tingin dito. Yun. Sapat. 1, 2, 3. Tingin dito. Salamat po lang sa inyo. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Hello! So we're here sa second floor. Ito pala tsura niya pag second floor. So, Macro Magic Land. Alright. Photo din tayo. I like this.
On your social media accounts using the hashtags that you can see on the poster. And you can also tag.
Parang kilala ko yung artist na gumawa nito.
He is the
Oh,
artist
diba?
for this.
Oh, siya! Astig! Sabi ko ni. Here's the back to school with the Honor tablet. Kompleto na. Thank you.
I-upload na lang po later with the hashtags over there.
Sige.
Put a name po.
Meron. Saan ito bibigay ko mamaya?
You can keep it.
Ha?
You can keep it.
Tago ko muna. Thank you. Yuli!
Our main event. So we are as excited as you are.
This is the
excited din kami makita na sumayaw-sayaw ka.
Honor Light
Nakikita ba
yata
natin
to.
yun? Oh, diba? I love your hair.
Oy, Andre!
I could never have
Hello!
my hair like that because hindi ako kasing adventurous.
Alam mo, Ine, yan talaga yung inaabangan ng lahat, no? And nobody has ever gotten the correct answer.
Guys, sobrang lupit ng super story sila. Hindi ko ma-imagine kung gaano maraming photos and videos kaya i-share ng Honor 90 Live 5G.
Yan na po yung manager ng Silo. Yung order namin kanina pa, ba't wala pa? Ano ba to? Ano ba? Kind of event is this? So mukha sa may-ari ng Silo. Saka Honor, yan. Alright.
Good evening!
Ay, start na pala yung event. Okay, start na tayo. Wala pa kaming drink.
One more time. Good evening. BGC for our Honor 90 Live 5G Grand Launch.
Oy, Honor Stars daw! Oy, Honor Stars! Honor Stars! Influencer, influencer!
I know na medyo busy kayo. You have a lot. Joining us from home on our Facebook live stream. So, hello to you guys.
What a huge crowd we have tonight.
Woo!
Hello everyone.
Hello, Pao!
Is there anything else? Let's check the standard for global photography and videography.
Yomi!
Good evening, Philippines, and good evening, guests. I hope you're having a great evening tonight.
Yung battery life niya. Kasi alam mo, naniniwala ko, isa yan sa mahalaga pag may phone ka, di ba? Lalo na kapag hindi ka gumawa ng contents, di ba? Maganda na malaki ay yung capacity niya.
Of course, as content creators, we take photos, we take videos, but when we view it na, parang all the more you appreciate the videos and the content that you just took kasi rounded corners. The design is also matched with outstanding display measuring.
Thank you so much, Joey, for walking us through the Honor 90 Light 5. 6 speakers to cover multiple directions with a higher volume level and a deeper feature base. You can enjoy the benefit of the large screen because of the
Here on stage to have our prizes revealed for the all-new
trabaho namin as artists. Of course, the 100 megapixel ultra camera. And syempre, hindi mawawala dyan kasi syempre, di ba, madalas tayo nauubusan ng memory. So it's very, very important. The super storage, sobrang laking tulong ng 12,990 pesos! Wow!
11,990 pesos.
Grabe!
6,990 pesos.
We have a surprise! We even made it more affordable.
Grabe.
Because you can avail this for only 5,490 pesos until October 8, 2023.
Hoy, sama ako dyan! Walang ilaw. Ito na, awarding din ang photo challenge namin sa Honor. So, announcement of winner. Sana manalo tayo. Magkakapat ng 10,000 pesos yung prize. So, i-announce na yung mga winners. Tatlong winners. One winner sa Honor 90 Lite, isang winner sa Honor X6A, tsaka isang winner sa X5 Plus. Tatlong telepono yung ginamit natin. Sana makachamba tayo. Ayun na.
Alright, here we are.
Ito na!
So,
On screen.
Yes, the winners. Village people.
Last na to. Paano na tayo? Nanalo si Ted! Nanalo si Ted! Galing pusa.
the winners will win
Kinabahan si
Honor
Ted.
90 Light 5G.
Yoko! Gusto ko cash! Gusto ko cash! Walang yaka! Walang yan si Larissa talaga! Nanalo! Ayan! Dapat kanya naka-honor! Honor ang telepono! And that's the end of our vlog today using the Honor 90 Lite 5G as a camera test and vlog test. Kakatapos na ng Honor launching din. Maraming salamat sa kanilang padalang token. St. Smith perfume. Hindi tayo nanalo sa raffle. Hindi tayo nanalo sa mga pa-contest photography contest. Kaya i-up natin yung ating strategy. So ayun, this is it guys. Uwi na ako. Actually naghahanap pa ako ng siopaw. We're here sa BGC. Sa likod ko yung Uptown Mall. So yeah, medyo maganda yung style dito, no? So yun, thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Welcome to BGC. And vlogging out Honor 90 Lite 5G. Alright. Thank you, Honor Philippines. Kita-kits sa next launch. I want the tablet ha. Gusto ko matry yung tablet. Maganda.